Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. There's also a Mate 30 Pro 5G, and that's available in Asia. This one's available in Europe and the UK. So here's the phone itself. It has the fingerprint sensor right down here, as it shows right here. Double tap on the screen and it turns on. So this is the main screen. I have a browser here from Huawei, so that's built in. There's the app gallery from Huawei as well. Here's some more apps up here. And then they have a bunch of tools that you can use as well. One of my favorite apps on here is the Files app, and you can access any NAS in your home or your office with this Files app. It connects to your SMB, so that's very nice. And most of the apps will come over if you need via phone clone. That's included in this as well. This has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of ROM. It's a dual SIM supported phone. And we'll go further inside the box. They give you a SIM eject tool right here. And I like this. They also include some paperwork, but also a case, so you don't break it on the first day. So that's nice. This is a hard shell case. This is like a matte plastic here, and it gives you that nice halo opening right here. And we'll show you what that looks like on the back of the phone in just a moment. Here's the charger. Again, this is the EU version. They also have a 5G version. This is the Huawei Supercharge charger. So right here. Then you have the USB-A to USB Type-C charging and data cable right there. And they give you a nice pair of headphones as well. These are USB-C headphones. Huawei also makes the FreeBuds 3, so check those out. I also have a video for the unboxing with that. So it's a double tap and just to slide open like that. The Wi-Fi is currently on, and as you can see, there are no buttons for volume. There is a power button, so if you want to do volume, you just double tap on the side and the volume comes up. So side of the glass, double tap. And what I like is that when you're holding it in your hand, it doesn't accidentally register your thumb or your fingers on the sides. So even though it has the OLED screen all the way to the side, it doesn't register your fingers. And I like that a lot. So that's helpful to use this phone. You have the charger port on the bottom and your SIM card slot. And since it has dual SIM card, you can actually put in a memory card, but that is specific to Huawei. And then on top you have an infrared port right there. And then on the back, here is the 4 cameras. They call this the Halo right here. So we'll put the details for the 4 cameras in the product description on the video. And then on the front, you have 2 cameras. So in total, this phone has 6 cameras. And the screen is very vibrant, and it opens pretty easily. There's a couple of taps. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. This is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro Android 10 and EMUI 10 smartphone from Huawei. Thank you.